Closing market comments for Wednesday, May the 5th. Markets continue to track higher, waiting for a reason to sell off. Rumors today that the Brazil crop could drop as low as 90 million metric tons. That would be 10 million below the current estimates and 19 million below USDA was the driver. Talk that if the world comes here to replace the corn that they can't get from Brazil, we could see the carryout down below 750 million. Brazil is lowering their ethanol production from both corn and sugar, so will that be more demand for corn from the U.S.? Ethanol prices have been strong and the RINs are trading at very high levels. Brazil did record an export shipment amount for April that was a new record, 17.38 million metric tons. USDA did announce the cancellation of corn this morning to China. Market sold off a little because of that, 140,000 metric tons. But they also announced a sale of corn to Mexico of 184,100 metric tons for 21-22, and a sale to unknown of 45,720 metric tons for 2021 and 101,600 for 21-22. Could that be a replacement for the cancellation by China? Russia suspended sales of buckwheat from June 5th to August 31st to control food prices. The EU announced they were using alternative products instead of corn in feed. The dollar today was down 25 points, gold was up 10.60, and silver was down 39 points. Crude oil traded both sides before closing down 39 cents at 65.32. Stocks were mixed with Dow futures up 118, Nasdaq down 45, and the S&P up 3. Weekly oil inventory was released with crude oil at 485.1 million, down 8 million from a week ago, and 47.1 million below last year. Gasoline stocks were 235.8 million barrels, up from 235.1 last week, and below last year at 256.4. Distillate stocks were 136.2 million, down 2.9 from last week. Excuse me. And 15.3 million below last year. Ethanol production was up this week at 952,000 barrels per day, up 7,000 from the previous week, and 354,000 higher than last year's COVID production. Ethanol stocks did go up this week at 20.440 million barrels, up from 19.736, but still well below last year's level of 25.612 million barrels. Just a reminder that the crop report will be out next Wednesday, a week from today, and that report will include the first numbers from 21-22. We are going to discontinue doing the daily market comments like this on YouTube. We will do them on Tuesdays, which will include export shipments and the crop condition report, and we will also do them on days that there are crop reports. Thanks for your watching. Let us know if you have any comments.